Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the basics of gold as an investment. And just a quick reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's for information purpose only. So definitely do your own research or talk to a professional if you are considering investing. Types of gold investment: physical golds, ETFs, mining stocks, and futures. Gold comes in the different forms if you are thinking about investing. First, there are physical gold, things like coin and bar. These are tangible assets, but they come with storage and security costs. Then you have gold ETFs, which allow you to invest in gold without actually holding it. It's super convenient, but means you don't physically own the gold. Another way is through gold mining stocks. This gives you exposure to gold. It's a bit more volatile. And for experienced investors, there are futures and options, which are higher risk, but can be profitable in a shorter time frame. Factors influencing gold price: inflation, interest rates, and economic uncertainty. So what does affect gold price? A big factor is inflation. When inflation goes up or currency values drop, people tend to see gold as a safe place for their money. Economic and political uncertainty is also huge. When there is a lot of instability, demand for gold can spike because it seems a security asset. Finally, interest rates are key. When rates are high, gold can be less appealing because it doesn't earn income like bonds and savings account. But when rates drop, gold can look more attractive to investors. Pros and cons of gold investment. There are so good reasons to invest in gold. It's great for portfolio diversification since it doesn't move the same way as stocks or bonds. Gold also has historic held its value during inflationary periods, so it can be a decent inflation hedge. Plus, it's super liquid. You can easily sell gold in most of markets. But there are also downsides. Unlike stocks or bonds, gold does not generate any income. No interest, no dividends. And if you want a physical gold, you have to think a storage or security costs. Gold can be pretty volatile, especially if you look for a short time frame. Key consideration. Alright, if you think about gold, here are a few things you can keep in mind. First, think about your goal. Are you looking for a long-term asset, a way to diversify, or just something stable? Also remember that premiums are adding to the spot price of gold, especially for smaller coins, which can eat into your returns if you are not holding it for long term. If you go to the physical route, don't forget to plan for securities storage options. This can be a bank safe deposit box or even a professional vault service. Hopefully, this gives you a good starting point for understanding gold as an investment. If you find this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.